In this video, we are going to use Newton's numerical method to find the root of this polynomial equation that falls between the interval 2 and 3. And we were given 2.5 as our initial guess. So the key component of Newton's numerical method is this formula. And you can see it contains f prime of Sn. That is, we need to know the first order derivative of the polynomial. So in our case, f prime of x will just be 3s squared minus 4. So we need that. I'm going to use this iteration table to iteratively find the root until I satisfy the condition given, that is within an accuracy of 0.02. And that is obtained by finding the magnitude of Sn plus 1 minus S of n. So let us get started. So for our first iteration, the n is 0. So I know that my S naught, that is the initial guess, is just 2.500. So if I substitute 2.5 into my f of x, I will obtain minus 3.375. And if I substitute it into my f prime of x, I will obtain 14.750. So it means using this formula, so S1 will just be S naught minus f of S naught over f prime of S naught. So my S1 from the table, I have my S naught as 2.5. Then I have minus my f of S naught is just minus 3.375, then divided by 14.75. So my S1, if I calculate it, will be 2.728. So I just have to substitute it here, 2.728. So now I have to test my accuracy level. So it will be S1 minus S naught. So that is this value minus this value. So I will obtain 0.229. So the magnitude of this value is greater than 0.02. So I have not reached my accuracy level. I have to go to the second iteration where n is 1. So now my S1 is this value now. So I will have 2.728. I just have to substitute it into my polynomial equation in order to obtain this. So I will have 0.390, and I have to substitute it into my f prime of x in order to obtain my value, which is 18.326. So I'll have to repeat this process. So now instead of, I will have S2 will just be x1 minus f of x1 over f prime of s1. So I have the values from here. If I substitute them, my S2 will be 2.707. So I have to test my accuracy level, and I will have minus 0.021. That is subtracting this from this. So you can see the magnitude of this value is 0.021, which is still greater than 0.02. So I have not reached my accuracy level. So I have to go to the third iteration where n is 2. So I will have 2.707. So still I have to substitute this into this polynomial in order to obtain this value, which is 0.008. Then substitute this into f prime of x, and I will obtain 17.983. So now my S3 will be S2 minus f S2 over f prime of S2. So substituting the values from here, I will obtain my S3 to be 2.706. So now testing my accuracy level, that is this value minus this value, I will have minus 0.001. So you can see the magnitude of minus 0.001 is less than 0.02. So it means I have reached the desired accuracy level, and the root of the polynomial between 2 and 3 is just approximately equal to 2.706 using Newton's numerical method. So if you want to learn how to find the root of the same polynomial using bisection method, watch the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.